We almost threw in the towel for this video. They say the third time's a charm, but for this Fat Tire Series number 3, it was anything but charming. After we shot most of the point of view videos, a section of the trail that we didn't get was closed for waterline construction. It was supposed to be closed for 3 to 4 weeks, and that was 2 months ago. An unmarked trail, which we had planned to feature, was partially obliterated by the same construction and is currently unrideable. We shot some footage at the wrong settings and with poor framing, and those files are useless. But despite all that, and COVID, and some heavy rain, we managed to get something together. And here it is. Hello, and welcome to Pennsylvania Bike Rides. Today's ride is at Blue Marsh Lake in Berks County, just north of Reading. It starts and finishes near the Visitor Center. It runs on old macadam roads, dirt double track, and dirt single track, so bikes with wider tires are recommended. You'll pass Stilling Basin and the Dog Beach, see the State Hill boat ramp, find a fun spur off the main trail, and see the other side of the dam. The Visitor Center is just off Palisades Drive. There are directions in the description below. Find this small parking area behind the ranger station. The trail starts behind this line of trees. This single-track dirt trail leads to Stilling Basin. Turn right and head downhill here. This is Stilling Basin. Follow the road to this trail entrance sign. Ride up over the outlet and down beside the creek. The trail turns sharply right and climbs uphill over the gravel and dirt to this intersection at the top of the dam. Going straight takes you by the Dog Beach area. That's the State Hill boat ramp across the water, and it's where we're headed. Once past the Dog Beach, the trail follows this double-track dirt road until it meets this old macadam road, turns left, and runs uphill. On our return, we'll stop at the area at the end of this berm. For now, continue right. The double-track dirt continues beside some fields and through the woods. The trail runs uphill, meets another old road, turns right, and goes downhill. Near the bottom, it turns left and passes this mile 2 marker. This single-track dirt brings you to the State Hill boat ramp area, which is the turnaround point of this ride. That's the Dog Beach in the distance. This trailhead and boat ramp has restrooms and plenty of parking. To return to the Visitor Center, ride through these bollards at the end of the parking lot. turn left, and head back the way you came. Stop here when you reach the end of this berm. For those riders looking to improve their mountain biking skills, find this small trail on the right. It runs gradually downhill and includes the 3 R's: roots, ruts, and rocks. But fortunately, there's an easy way back up right beside it. This unmarked trail used to run through the woods and along the creek all the way to Stilling Basin, but pipeline construction has wiped out much of it. For now, you can pass by this gate to ride back to the top of the berm. Local riders tell us they'll remake the trail once construction is finished. Take a sharp right and ride across the berm, down the hill, past the dog beach, and up to the intersection of the gravel roads and the trail at the top of the dam. From here you can ride down to see the dam. It's usually a short ride from here back to the visitor center, but today that section of the trail is closed due to pipeline construction. If it's closed when you're here, you can start at the State Hill boat ramp and do the ride in reverse. When the trail is reopened, ride down to Stilling Basin. From there, you can ride up the dirt single track back to the parking area. If you're still watching, here's a preview of number 4. Same problems, different section of the trail. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, why not subscribe?